Good morning, traders. Forex market video analysis is back in your life. Today, guys, we want to piggyback on the video we made yesterday on the New Zealand Japanese yen. Today, we want to talk about the Aussie Japanese yen, the twin brother, if you will, correlation wise. So, we started really well with that New Zealand Japanese yen yesterday, but we also established a short position on the Aussie Japanese yen at the same time. New Zealand Japanese yen already hit the first target, 85.91. The Aussie Japanese yen did not. The target was 95.59. However, when we started off, when you opened the market today, price action was kind of deep down, and we decided to jump off, take the profit, and just run for the exit. Now, when we're looking at this again, giving it a second look, we can see price action did push forward a little bit. So we already got a better price if we're going to jump in right now. So that's a good start. We're still looking at 95.59. So let's go right ahead and throw that position right back in. This time, last time we used the stop loss level of 98.50. Today, right now, we're just going to use the stop loss level of 98, right? And we're looking at 95, same target. This time, I believe we're going to go straight to that level without any taking any breaks in the middle. So we got our position back in. Aussie Japanese yen have a bit of a technical correction. We're just gonna trying to take advantage of that. And get the Aussie Jap in slightly better price after we got out. Now, our final destination is actually 92.71. Take a look at the weekly chart. Here we can clearly see price action has been trading sideways for a while, but this system here, that blue system, capture the movement that we've seen ever since the beginning of June. Interestingly enough, it just recently touched 98.16 here, a very strong resistance level that we believe will put an end to this upside move. This upside move had started, I'm talking about the continuous upside move from the last low, had been about a month and a half. Right, about a month and a half of price action just pushing forward. Now we think there's a very good chance we're looking at the tipping point, and a new trend will emerge, going back to 92.71 at the very least. We think on the larger scale, it may very well look like something. Check this out, something like this, right? A massive breakdown with massive downside potential. But we're just looking at the short-term cycle right now, so 95.59, that's the next one, and a little bit later down the road, 92.71. We'll probably then we'll regroup and figure out when's the right timing to take action and jump in on that big downside reversal I was just mentioning. All right, guys, so we started off really small, as you can see, just 5K. If price action pushes forward a little bit more and tomorrow starts to drop again, that's actually going to give us an interesting opportunity to double down, right? We're starting small because we want to keep the option of doubling down if necessary. If price action goes all the way up to 98, that's probably not a good sign, and it's probably heading north in order to break out of 98.16, the same level that it failed to break 3 days ago, right? So it may try it again and may be successful. So if 98, our stop loss level 98 gets triggered, it's probably for a good reason, right? If not, we may try to double down. Other than that, price action there's a very good chance. Probably more likely, I would say, right, that it will shoot straight to that 95.59, find some solid support here, and then we'll decide what to do with it. Alright, guys, so there you go. Branching off to the Aussie Japanese yen after we've been dealing with the New Zealand Japanese yen yesterday, so it's kind of a natural continuation on the same vector, if you will. That's about that for this one. Moving on to the next video, guys. We'll see you there. Take care.